I've seen a lot of articles and headlines about the recent drop in gold and silver prices. But let me ask you a question. What if the real risk isn't in the price going down, but in your money sitting still? Yes, we've seen a short-term pullback in gold and silver prices, but that happens in every market. But stewardship teaches us to zoom out, not panic. Back in 2020, I was buying silver at just over $17 an ounce. Not because I was trying to time the market, but because I was looking for a stable alternate storage for my capital. Here's the distinction that most people miss. I didn't spend the money, I just moved it. If I had left the same amount of money in a traditional checking or savings account, here's what would have happened. I would have gained minimal interest over the last 5 years, inflation would have eroded my buying power, and that money that appeared to be safe would have actually been shrinking. Meanwhile, that same capital that I placed in silver, it didn't just sit still, it grew, it compounded. It became a store of value that has compounded over time. I explain it like this. Precious metals are like a bank account that doesn't sleep. No overdraft fees, no permission required, no institution telling you how and when you can access your funds. Is there volatility? Absolutely. But stewardship is not about the daily price swings. It's about the long-term positioning. This recent slide isn't a failure. It's a reminder that markets are emotional. Stewards, however, are intentional. Let me ask you a question. What if over the last 5 years, your savings account quadrupled without you adding any additional funds? This is why diversification matters. This is why ownership matters. That's why headlines don't dictate my strategy. It's just short-term noise, but I'm focused on the long-term vision. If you want to begin thinking like a steward and not a spectator, then join us in the Minding Our Business Financial Academy today. Click the link below and we'll show you how to begin stewarding your resources with long-term vision and godly focus.